Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and ready to start your own business? Tune into our upcoming video where we'll reveal the top dividend-paying stocks to keep an eye on in February 2023. Don't miss this opportunity to learn how to potentially grow your wealth with dividend-paying stocks. Stay tuned. If you're interested in the world of entrepreneurship and financial independence, make sure you join NetWealth by subscribing now. Don't miss out. Welcome to our video on the top 5 online business ideas for beginners. Starting an online business can be a great way to take control of your financial future and turn your passion into profit. With the rise of e-commerce and digital platforms, it's easier than ever to start up and run an online business from anywhere in the world. In this video, we'll be sharing our top 5 picks for online business ideas that are perfect for beginners. Whether you're looking for a low-risk, high-reward option or a way to share your expertise, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of online entrepreneurship. Are you tired of the daily grind, the rush hour traffic, and the office politics? Well, my friend, it's time to break free from the shackles of the 9-to-5 and start your own online business. I know what you're thinking, but wait, I don't have a business degree or a fancy MBA. What can I even do? Well, I'm here to tell you don't need either of those things to be a successful online entrepreneur. All you need is an idea, a laptop, and an internet connection. That's it. And let's be real, if you're watching this video, you probably have all 3 of those things. Starting an online business is like being a superhero, but instead of fighting crime, you're fighting for financial freedom. Let's be honest, who doesn't want to be their own boss? No more dealing with that one coworker who always leaves the coffee pot empty. No more struggling to find a parking spot in the morning, and no more pretending to be interested in your boss's weekend plans. With an online business, you can work from anywhere, whether it's your living room, a coffee shop, or even a tropical island if that's your thing. Not only that, but starting an online business lets you turn your passion into profit. Want to sell handmade crafts? There's a market for that. Want to start a blog about plant-based cooking? Go for it. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is you don't have to answer to anyone but yourself. So if you're ready to take a leap and start your own business, stay tuned for our top 5 ideas for beginners, and remember, don't let anyone tell you can't turn your passion into a successful business. You may be wondering, what are some specific business ideas that I can start? Well, first on our list is an ever-popular option of dropshipping. Have you heard of it? Okay, so you've probably heard of dropshipping, but are probably not quite sure what it is. Well, let me explain it to you in the simplest way possible. It's sort of like being a middleman, but without the awkward small talk and handshakes. With dropshipping, you partner with a supplier who takes care of all the boring stuff like inventory and shipping. All you have to do is market and sell the products to consumers. But it's not just easy, it's also low risk and high reward option for beginners. You don't have to worry about investing a lot of money up front, and you don't have to worry about buying a bunch of products that don't sell. You can test out different products and suppliers to see what works best for you and your business. The best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home or coffee shop or tropical island. You get the idea. Now I know what you're thinking, but wait, isn't there a lot of competition in dropshipping? Well, yes there is, but that's true for any business. The key is to find a niche and make your product stand out. Plus, with the rise of social media and influencer marketing, it's easier than ever to reach a wider audience and promote your products. So if you're ready to start your own online business and don't want to handle inventory or shipping, dropshipping may be the perfect option for you. Just remember, with dropshipping, the sky is the limit. What are some other options for beginners? Well, next on our list is the ever-popular method of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, the business idea that sounds like a fancy law firm, is actually just a fancy way of saying I promote products and get a commission. It's like being a salesperson, but instead of being stuck in a cubicle, you do it from the comfort of your own home. Again, this is a low-risk, high-reward option for beginners. You don't have to invest a lot of money up front, and you don't have to worry about creating or stocking products. All you need to do is partner with the company and promote their products to your audience. And when someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's like getting a kickback for being a good friend and recommending a great product. But it's not just easy, it's also a great way to earn money while you sleep. Once you've built a sizable audience and established relationships with companies, you can earn passive income through affiliate marketing. Imagine waking up to find you've made money while you were dreaming about the tropical island. Now I know what you're thinking, but wait, isn't there a lot of competition in affiliate marketing? Yeah, there is, but that's true for any business. The key is to find a niche and make your promotion stand out. Plus, with the rise of social media and influencer marketing, it's easier than ever to reach a wider audience and promote products. So if you're ready to start your own online business and don't want to handle inventory or shipping, affiliate marketing could also be a great option for you. Just remember, with affiliate marketing, the money is in the links. Do you find this interesting and want to learn more about intriguing topics like these? Then make sure you leave a like and join NetWealth by subscribing. What are some other options for beginners that require less technical skills? Starting an e-commerce store, the business idea that sounds like a lot of work, but thanks to platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce is actually a piece of cake. It's like having a physical store, but without the hassle of rent, inventory, and all the other expenses. You get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and all while you're wearing your pajamas. It's a great option for beginners who have a passion for a particular product or niche. You can sell anything from handmade crafts to trendy clothes, and the best part, exactly like all the others mentioned before, you can do all of this from the comfort of your own home. But it's not just easy, it's also a great way to build a loyal customer base. Once you've established your brand and built trust with your customers, they'll keep coming back for more. Imagine having a customer that purchases from you every month like clockwork. It's like having a subscription service, but instead of Netflix, it's your store. Again, the key is to find a niche and make your product stand out. Plus, with the rise of online social media marketing and influencer marketing, it's easier than ever to reach a wider audience and promote your products. What are some other options for beginners that don't involve selling physical products? Creating an online course or ebook, the business idea is actually just sharing your knowledge and getting paid for it. It's sort of like being a teacher, but instead of dealing with rowdy kids, you teach adults and don't have to wear pants. It's a great option for beginners who have expertise in a particular field. You can make a course on anything from knitting to programming, and the best part is you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare make it easy to create and sell your course, and you can also sell ebooks on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. But it's not just easy, it's also a great way to build a loyal audience. Once you've established your course and built trust with your students, you'll be rich beyond imagining having multiple students that take courses from you. It's like having a loyal customer base, but for knowledge. Like any other business on the list, the key is to find a niche and make your course stand out. So if you're ready to start your own online business and have expertise in a particular field, creating an online course or ebook may be the perfect option for you. Just remember, with online courses, money is knowledge. Well, next on our list is very similar to the last one, online coaching or consulting. Have you ever thought about using your expertise to help others and make money at the same time? Almost the same as creating a course, it's like being a mentor, but instead of dealing with ungrateful students, you work with adults. It's a great option for beginners who have expertise in a particular field like business, fitness, finance, or even personal development. You can use platforms like Zoom or Google Meet to meet with clients remotely. It's a great way to share your knowledge and help others while earning money at the same time. And it's not just easy, it's also a great way to build a loyal customer base. Once you've established your expertise and built trust in your clients, they'll keep coming back for more. Imagine having clients that work with you for months or even years. It's like having a loyal customer base, but for knowledge. I hate to repeat myself, but it's so true that I have to. The key to find a niche and making your expertise is stand out. So if you're ready to start your own online business with expertise in a particular field, online coaching or consulting may be the perfect option for you. To summarize, starting an online business can be a great way to take control of your financial future and turn your passion into profit. With the rise of e-commerce and digital platforms, it's easier than ever to start and run an online business from anywhere in the world. The ideas we presented are low-risk, high-reward options that can help you kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. Dropshipping allows you to market and sell products without handling inventory or shipping and handling. Affiliate marketing involves partnering with the company and promoting their products to your audience, and earning a commission on sales made through your unique link. Online coaching or consulting is a great way to share your expertise and help others while earning money at the same time. E-commerce store platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce make it easy to set up an online store and start selling products. Creating an online course or ebook is a great way to share your knowledge and earn money at the same time. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and are looking for more ways to make extra money? In this video, we'll be sharing some proven strategies to help you make money with online surveys. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, join NetWealth by subscribing now.